In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create variations of an image in Midjourney. We'll walk through a simple, clear workflow so you can take an image you like and quickly explore multiple creative alternatives. This is perfect when you have a solid concept and want more options for composition, color, or style without starting from scratch each time. First, head to the Midjourney website and open the Create page. This is the workspace where you'll generate your image. You'll see a prompt box at the top. Think of this as your creative brief to the AI. Type your prompt in the box describing the subject, style, lighting, and mood you're aiming for. The more specific you are, the more controlled your results will be. If you're unsure, start with a concise description and a couple of adjectives, then refine from there. Once your prompt looks good, click Submit. Midjourney will start processing your request. You'll see a progress indicator while it generates. This can take a short moment depending on traffic and complexity, so give it a bit of time. While you wait, remember that clarity beats clutter. If your result comes out too busy, you can simplify your prompt later rather than piling on extra descriptors. When the image grid appears, click on the image you want to explore further. This opens a larger view and reveals helpful controls. On the right side, look for the Vary section. This is where the magic happens for variations. Vary creates new images based on your chosen results, keeping the overall idea intact while exploring fresh directions. You'll see two primary options, subtle and strong. Choose subtle when you want light tweaks. Think small shifts in composition, color balance, or detail that retain the essence of the original. This is great for fine-tuning and dialing in nuances without losing what you already like. Choose strong when you're ready for bolder changes. This option pushes the design further, experimenting with larger shifts in structure, perspective, or stylistic interpretation. It's ideal if the concept is close, but needs a more pronounced change in look or feel. Click the variation strength that matches your intent and let Midjourney generate the new set. You can repeat this as many times as you like, moving from subtle to strong or back again depending on what you see. If a variation stands out, use it as the new base and continue exploring. The key is to iterate intentionally, subtle for refinement, strong for exploration. That's it. You've just learned how to create variations of an image in Midjourney quickly and confidently. Keep experimenting, review the results thoughtfully, and use variations to zero in on your perfect visual.